jumping off the sofa and bouncing off the walls, lifting chairs like you were Superman, always being resilient, being my little man. And times changed, two roads led to home. Me and your mom did our best so you never felt alone, trying to show you to be strong and tempered, always stand tall. Look at the world with different lenses, even when you feel small. Know that my love for you will always be, because you're the better version of me. You never showed your temper, being soft through it all, being a big brother, catching us when we'd fall. Then our world changed again. You said, Dad, it'll be okay. I never felt so proud of you while trying to be strong and tempered, always stand tall. Look at the world with different lenses, even when you feel small. Know that my love for you will always be, because you're the better version of me. Now you're going into the world, learning what you want to be. I hope I taught you that life means stay strong and tempered, always stand tall. Looking at the world with different lenses, even when you feel small. Just a reminder, my love for you will always be, because you're the better version. You're the better version of me. There will be hard times, you'll stumble and fall. I hope you know I got you. All you have to do is call, and I'll say, stay strong and tempered, always stand tall. Looking at the world with different lenses, even when you feel small. Just a reminder, my love for you will always be, because you're the better version of me. You're the better version of me, always what I want.